everyone, Nisarg here. So today's interview question is that what is the difference between double equal to and is keyword? So at the very first go, this two double equal to and is keyword looks quite similar because it's just checking whether two variables are equal or not. So let's take an example and try to understand where exactly this double equal to and this is differing from each other. So what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to create one variable called a, and I'm going to put some element to it. Let me just put like apple, ball, and let's say cucumber. Okay. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another b, and I'll say the exact same thing: apple, ball, and cucumber. So I just created two lists, A and B, and I just put the same element what I have put in A to the B. So A and B both are having apple, ball, and cucumber. So till far so good. So if I simply just say A is equal to B, I'll get true. I'll get true because it's checking whether A is equal to B or not. And now if I say A is B, I'm getting false. So what exactly is happening? Why when we are saying double equal to, it's giving me true. When I'm saying is, it's giving me false. So for understanding how this equal to work and how this is work, we need to understand that where exactly the values of A and B are placed in the memory. So for that, if I just check the memory location for A and memory location for B, so for that, I'll say hex of ID of A, and I'll see that it has been stored in some memory location. Now let's say hex of ID of B, and I can see that it has been stored in some memory location. And clearly, these two memory locations are not same. So the reason I am getting a false when I'm saying A is B, because when I say is, it see whether the two variables are pointing towards one memory location or not. If it is not pointing towards one memory location, it will give you false. If it is pointing towards one memory location, it will give you true. And if we are doing double equal to, simply it is checking whether the value which is there in A is the same value for what we have in the B or not. If it is there, it will give you true. If it is not, it will give you false, right? So this is how true and false is working when we are doing double equal to and is in this case. Now, as I told you that this is works, is gives you true basically when both the variables are pointing towards the same memory location. So in order to check it, what I'll say, I'll simply say A, we know what exactly A is, and I'll say A equals to B. So we know what exactly B is, right? So whatever the value of B is, it is directly going to get copied to your A. Now, if you check your memory location of your A, and simultaneously, I'll just print the memory location of my B as well over here. I can see both are now pointing towards same memory location, right? Why? Because I said A equal to B. So whatever the value of B was previously, it got overwritten in A. So basically, whatever they are sharing the same memory location right now. So now if I say A is B, I'll get the value of true, right? Why? Because both the variables are not now sharing the same memory location. So this is the main difference between double equal to and is keyword. Okay, thank you.